vegetable soup series is back, and today we're making the brain-boosting veggie soup.
The Harvard vegetable soup has 6 nutritious variations. Today we're focusing on boosting brain power. I added thin noodles to make a bowl of vegetable noodle soup. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. You're absolutely right. With just 4 simple ingredients, this version of the soup is easy to prepare while still being nutritious. Wash and cut asparagus into sections. Wash and cut celery into sections. No need to peel the pumpkin, just cut it into small cubes. Pumpkin skin is rich in dietary fiber and antioxidants, which aid digestion and boost immunity. It also contains essential minerals like zinc and potassium, supporting overall bodily functions. Additionally, the carotenoids in pumpkin skin can convert to vitamin A, benefiting eye and skin health. Cook for 30 minutes using the soup function on the pressure cooker. The soup is ready. Add salt to taste if you prefer. The recipe suggests enjoying the natural flavor of the vegetables without any extra seasoning. Pour the soup into a small pot and use it to cook the thin noodles. Thin noodles usually take 1 to 2 minutes to cook. They're done when tender yet still springy. Overcooking can make them mushy and ruin the texture. It's best to keep an eye on them while cooking, and rinsing with cold water after draining can make them more slippery and pleasant to eat. A bowl of nutritious vegetable soup serves as a perfect base for noodle broth. It's both comforting and healthy to enjoy. With plenty of vegetables arranged nicely in the noodle soup, it looks as comforting as it is delicious. I also added a boiled egg. Now it's got protein too. Time to dig in. It's so delicious. The Harvard Brain Boosting Vegetable Soup recommends omitting salt primarily to preserve the natural, sweet flavors of the vegetables. Additionally, reducing sodium intake supports cardiovascular health, aligning with the recipe's low-sodium wellness philosophy. Lastly, ingredients like pumpkin and onion release ample richness through slow cooking, making the soup flavorful enough without added seasoning. The Harvard Brain Boosting Vegetable Soup combines watercress, celery, pumpkin, and asparagus because these 4 ingredients are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, working together to support the nervous system. Watercress and asparagus provide folate and vitamin K, which aid cognitive function, while the apogenin in celery and the carotenoids in pumpkin help promote healthy blood circulation to the brain and cellular health. This combination follows the principle of natural, diverse, and high nutrient density, aiming to gently enhance mental vitality and reduce fatigue through dietary nourishment. The soup tastes naturally sweet and mild, with the gentle sweetness of pumpkin and the fresh herbal notes of vegetables. It has a rich yet light texture, leaving a soft and lingering aftertaste. The overall flavor is well-balanced and elegant, truly highlighting the authentic taste of the ingredients. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day. right. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for VO-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.